Hello everyone, my name is Kyla and this is Forex in 1 minute. An investment opportunity that involves the buying and selling of currencies. Anybody can do this. You don't need a degree or even to be good at math or English, nor do you have to have a large sum of money to get started. Flexible, quote-unquote, working hours. You can be at your desk, you can be in the supermarket, you can be on the beach, you can even be sleeping at night and being able to generate an income. Do you have a mobile device? Do you have internet connection, Wi-Fi or data? The right education? Are you a disciplined individual? And if you answered yes to at least the last question, then you can definitely be on your way to succeeding in this industry.